this is a great exercise if you are really stuck here at your big knuckles and it's hard for you to make a fist. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your the fingers of your other hand and just slide it in between, right? So you're gonna, it's almost like if you're intercrossing your fingers, all right? But you're gonna just slide it in between, so it's just the tips of the finger, slide it in between. What this does is it separates the bones here and it just helps to relax these muscles and ligaments. So if you feel really swollen here, this is just a great thing just to kind of cross your fingers in like this and just hang out there. But as an exercise, you're gonna take the fingers, you're gonna slide it in just the tips, right? And then all you're going to do is you're going to try and curl it down and open, curl it down and open, okay? That's just to give your fingers a little space. So 1, it's less painful, 2, it's gonna help you with your swelling, and 3, is going to just allow you to move a little bit at a time, okay? 10 times, and just go nice and slow for like a count of 2 seconds or so.